Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What we're gonna do today is a short tutorial on how to connect your Instagram profile followers number to your Webflow project. The data on how many followers, for example, or how many people you follow is an open data that is shared by Instagram, and you can get that by a simple HTTP request, and we can use Integromat to read that response and inject it into Webflow. So once we know all that, let's go into the project and start building. So let's give our project a name of Instagram followers, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is create a collection with an item in it. So let's give this collection name of Instagram accounts, and we're gonna have 3 fields: name, slug, and one more field which will be number of followers. So let's go ahead and create that collection, and let's go ahead and create an item in this collection, which we'll call Viv's followers, and number of followers, let's put 0 in. Go ahead and create this item, and now let's add this list to our page. Let's add, of course, let's connect the list, and let's add some text and another field that's connected to our number of followers. Let's have some styles here. Let's give the item some styles so it won't look so sad. And the list as well, so it will be in the middle of the screen. Maybe add some border to everything. Yeah. And yeah, we can go ahead and publish the website. Let's go check it out. So we can see we have everything with the 0 that we entered in the collection. Now we can go to Integromat. Let's start with a new scenario. And we will start by a simple HTTP request. And we can use this line, which if we use it in our browser, we'll get, of course we need to change the username to the desired username. My Instagram username is avivtech, so let's enter that and see what we get. And here we get the JSON file, and we'll use that JSON file to get all the info. Some of you might already notice how many followers I have. So we're gonna take this request or respond and let Integromat read it. So let's paste this line and change the username to avivtech. We'll leave the method as get, and the body type will have it raw. Let it run once, so we'll see that it reads and everything is fine. And now we can read that JSON. So let's type in JSON, and now parse JSON. And now the data structure is how Integromat is going to read the JSON. What's the hierarchy? So what we can do, Integromat here is very helpful. We can simply go to add and then write any kind of name and go to the generator, and in here what we're gonna do is gonna go back to that JSON file, we're gonna copy everything, and we're gonna just throw it into the sample data. So Integromat is gonna read all that JSON data and build its own structure. Let's hit save, and there is the structure that Integromat built. We can save up, and now to the string itself. What we want to take is the data. That's where all the info is. So we're gonna click the data and click OK. And now we're gonna throw this data into our Webflow project. So another model, and we're gonna put Webflow, and we want to update an item, and let's link our project. Let's call that Instagram tutorial. Let's link our project. And now Integromat is gonna do its magic, work its magic. We're gonna choose the site, the collection, and we'll manually choose the item. And now under number of followers, we're gonna go to user, and we're gonna go to edge followed by and count. Next, we want to add a name. We'll get that manually. So let's go back to the collection and have our item name and put that in the name field, and press OK, and now let it run. Once it's finished, everything is green, we can go back to the Webflow project and publish, and go to the website and refresh, and there you go, 422 followers. Let's double check that it's correct. Let's go to my Instagram account and to my profile, and there you go, 422 followers. Now we can go back to Integromat and define that it will run on a schedule, for example once a day, once a week, whatever, on a regular intervals. We can set every 15 minutes and just activate, and now every 15 minutes it will read how many followers I have and inject it into the Webflow item. So that's it. You're more than welcome to follow me on my YouTube channel, which is mostly Hebrew tutorials for Webflow, but sometimes also English. You can also follow me on Instagram, and then I'll have more than 422 followers. You can find me on Facebook, and you can find me in the International Webflow Forum. Any question, any request, more than welcome. Have a great day.